Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best home and kitchen products to make your life easier. Today, we're reviewing the SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart, which we believe is the best Slim Caddy Cabinet Organizer for anyone in need of a little extra space. If you're struggling to find a place for your bathroom essentials, kitchen supplies, or office materials, this storage cart could be the solution you've been waiting for. The SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart is a 4-tier rolling utility cart that's designed to maximize your space in the most efficient way possible. It measures 15.3 inches deep, 4.9 inches wide, and 38.7 inches tall, making it the perfect size for tight, narrow spaces where traditional furniture just won't fit. Whether you're looking to organize your bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even your office, this cart has got you covered. One of the standout features of the SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart is its mobility. Equipped with 360-degree rotating wheels, this cart is incredibly easy to move around. You can slide it in and out of tight spaces with ease, making it a perfect choice for anyone who needs to keep their space flexible and adaptable. It's especially handy for those with limited room who want to optimize every inch of their home or office. But it's not just about being slim and mobile. This cart also provides ample storage space. With 4 spacious tiers, you can organize everything from toiletries to spices to cleaning supplies. Plus, the side hoops add extra storage potential for items that don't quite fit on the shelves, giving you even more flexibility when it comes to organizing. What makes the SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart even more appealing is its versatility. If you find that 4 tiers are too many for your needs, you can easily remove the casters and adjust it to a 2- or 3-tier shelf. This means you're not locked into one configuration, and you can change it depending on what you're storing or where you plan to use it. Setting up the cart is a breeze, too. Made of high-quality plastic, the cart is both lightweight and durable, which means it will last for years to come. The design is straightforward, and there are no complicated tools required for assembly. It's all about ease of use. It's a simple, hassle-free installation process that anyone can do in just a few minutes. The bottom of the cart features a mesh hollow design, ensuring that water and moisture don't accumulate, which is perfect for areas like bathrooms where water can be an issue. This thoughtful design helps to keep your items dry and prevent mold buildup, so you can feel confident storing anything on it. To sum it up, if you're in the market for a space-saving solution that's easy to move, offers excellent storage capacity, and can adapt to your needs, the SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart is the product to consider. Whether you need it in your bathroom, kitchen, office, or any other small space, it delivers everything you need to stay organized, while keeping your home clutter-free. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best home and kitchen products.